Now, this is just a clip I had in my phone. It's actually in another YouTube video that I have posted. You can go and find it. It's about 7 minutes long, I believe. Now, I'm going to keep it real and I'm going to keep it raw about wet sanding. Whatever YouTube videos you find out there that say restore your boat in one simple step by not wet sanding, that is a bunch of baloney. It's not true. You must wet sand. If you do a customer's boat without wet sanding, 2 weeks later, a month later, the oxidations can come right back and they are going to be pissed. Yes, they're not going to like it at all. I cannot tell you all the customers we've had come drop their boats off and say, I just had a guy do it last year and it came back about 2 weeks later. If you don't believe me, I'd be more than happy to send you the customer's information. They will tell you the same thing. People make their money and their views off YouTube by showing you the wrong way to do it 9 times out of 10, because who wants to do it the correct way? Let's be honest. Nobody wants to do it the correct way. You know why? Because it takes a lot of time to do. It takes a lot of neck pain. It takes a lot of back pain. And it takes money to do. If you charge to do it the correct way and the customer pays you, then there should be no problems at all. But you are not going to restore a boat correctly without wet sanding anytime there is oxidation. Now, if there's light oxidation, like on a newer boat, you can start seeing it bleed just a little bit. You won't have to do too much wet sanding, just a light wet sanding to get that light oxidation off. But like this boat right here is a old, what kind of boat was that? It was that one man's boat with the black and yellow strip right here. Look, right here. I think it was a Bayline or something. I'm not sure. I can't remember. We done did so many boats, I can't remember. Anyways, it was so chalky, it comes right off on your hands. There's no way you're going to tell me that you can restore a boat by only compounding. No. Yes, it will look good for a little while, but as soon as it hits the water, it is going to chalk right back out because you did not fix the core problem. Gel coat is very porous. It oxidizes quickly if you do not keep it maintained, if you don't keep it sealed, ceramic coated, or waxed. You cannot skip the step of wet sanding or it's not going to look good at all. And for anybody that thinks they're going to comment on my video again, telling me how to do it, I charge what I am worth. Do you? I don't know, but I do. Thank you. Oh yeah, we just came to a thought. Who actually wants to get shitted, okay? Why would you sit here and throw away, say, $1,200, which is extremely cheap to restore a boat, when you could just pay the extra $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, you know, however big your boat is? Why not pay the extra money to get it done right instead of throwing away $1,200 or so and having to pay more to get it done professionally? It does not make any sense. This industry is so easy to shit people, excuse my language, but it is so easy to shit people out of their money because their boat will look good. Not as good as we do because we wet sand, honey, but it will look good just for a little while, 2 weeks, until it fades back out. It will look good enough for them to get paid and not give you your money back. You'll be just out of luck. So make sure you like and subscribe this video. If you didn't like this video, I really don't care, but we do it the correct and professional way. And we also use Stark Yacht Care products. We have used 3M. 3M is okay. Nothing's wrong with 3M. But my experience with Stark Level R compound is the most aggressive compound out there. And you're not going to get much better than that. And for anybody to say that we sell products, we do not sell products. Yeah, we do not sell products. Now, we get discounts through Stark, and we're partnered with them, but I don't sell anybody anything. I make videos so that my customers in my local area will see the kind of work we do and not be scared to pay to get a full gel coat restoration because they've been shitty before in the past. All right, like and subscribe. Thank you.